Okay, so I can see here that the crane is lifting this construction vehicle from the launching box from the underground to the normal ground level. And here reinforcement work of the road in the open excavation section, not actually reinforcement work, casting work of the road is going on by uniting technique. As you can see that they are doing the casting by uniting technique, and there is an operator to operate this machine that is actually doing the casting work. Okay, there is a worker who is actually leveling the poured concrete. Maybe I can say that he is leveling the poured concrete or doing compaction of the concrete.
So you can see here that the rope cutter is cutting all these beams. Actually the all the diamonds in this rope cutter, or we can call it diamond cutter, are cutting these beams. These beams need to be cut before starting the boring works by the tunnel boring machine TBM. So what I know is that they will cut all these supporting beams by this rope cutter, and then they will remove, and then they will take it out by crane.
Okay, so these diamond cutters are really very powerful, and as I can see that they are cutting the beams really fast.
So you can see that these rope cutters are cutting these beams. These beams need to be cut and removed before starting the boring works. You can see that one of the worker is doing the binding work of the reinforcement, and what interesting thing is that the reinforcement, the rod that has been used, the rod that has been used for the reinforcement is in a screw system. So that means the reinforcement of the rod of this multi-lane tunnel road is in screw system. That means one rod will be binded by with another rod by screw system. Okay, you can see here that the workers are doing the reinforcement work of the road. So someone is doing the welding works. As you can see, the worker there is doing the welding works. Again, some workers are working with rods, and this is actually the reinforcement of tunnel roads, multi-lane tunnel roads.